Hello everyone, and welcome to the Solid State Watch. I'm Shannon Davis, the web editor for Solid State Technology, here to bring you the top headlines we've been tracking from February 21st through February 28th, 2014. Let's take a look. MIT researchers sponsored by the Semiconductor Research Corporation have introduced new directed self-assembly techniques that promise to help semiconductor manufacturers develop more advanced and less expensive components. The MIT study demonstrates that complex patterns of lines, bends, and junctions with feature sizes below 20 nanometers can be made by block copolymer self-assembly guided by a greatly simplified template. This study explained how to design the template to achieve a desired pattern. Electron beam lithography was used to produce the template serially, while the block copolymer filled the rest of the pattern in a parallel process. This hybrid process can be 5 or more times faster than writing the entire pattern by electron beam lithography. The EU announced a consortium of industrial and academic collaborators, which will be led by Arkema, to establish a dedicated material manufacturing facility that allows the production of block copolymers meeting the rigorous standards required for their use in the industry as nanolithic templates. Called PLACYD, the consortium brings together researchers and industries to allow for the first time the integration of synthesis through to wafer-scale production and system device characterization. Partners include CEA-Leti, ST Microelectronics, Intel, Mentor Graphics, ASML, and other leading EU companies and research organizations. Arkema hosted the kickoff meeting of the project on February 18th in Paris, aiming to set up a full European ecosystem dedicated to directed self-assembly technology with the support of key players of the semiconductor industry. This week, Soraa announced the world's most efficient LED, which it will integrate into the market's first full visible spectrum large form factor lamps. Sora's third-generation gallium nitride on gallium nitride LED achieves world record-setting wall plug efficiency. In just 1 year, Soraa has achieved a remarkable 30% increase in white lumen per watt efficiency over its prior generation LED. Sora's third-generation LED will be made available in the second quarter of this year in a variety of product offerings. GlobalFoundries and Fraunhofer Institute for Integrated Circuits this week announced the extension of their long-term collaboration, focusing on 40 nanometer and 28 nanometer processes. GlobalFoundries will also join the European Multi-Product Wafer Program, EuroPractice. Through this collaboration, GlobalFoundries will offer its leading-edge foundry capabilities to Fraunhofer as an aggregator. And in turn, Fraunhofer will enable the academic community or the academic network in Europe to get access to GlobalFoundries process technologies and process design kits via EuroPractice. For more industry headlines during the week, be sure to follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. For Solid State Technology Magazine, I'm Shannon Davis. Thanks for watching and see you next week.